What is up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you can see by the title, we're doing kind of like a glam makeup tutorial for autumn. I just really felt inspired to do a makeup tutorial for you guys, inspired by like berries. I don't know, that's kind of the feel I'm getting from this eye look and I'm just obsessed with it. You guys always say to do way more makeup tutorials on my channel, so I am here, I'm delivering. Also, today's video is actually in collaboration with Glossy Box, which I'm very excited about. For those of you who don't know, Glossy Box is basically a beauty subscription box where you get 5 products each month that is worth over £50. So if you guys love makeup and beauty products, it's a really great way to basically get to know some new brands and try loads of new products for a really affordable price. So Glossy Box have actually given me a 40% off discount code for you guys, which you can use this month for your first Glossy Box, and you can use this discount code from the 7th of November till the 15th of December. So that gives you guys a good amount of time to get your first Glossy Box, which is only actually £6 with the 40% off, which is amazing. So this is how this month's Glossy Box looks, and I honestly love the color of this. Inside you get a little leaflet which basically just tells you all about the products that you are getting and also what you might be getting next month. It is packaged so beautifully. I've already opened mine because I just couldn't wait. But yeah, it comes with a little bow and some pink tissue paper, which is adorable. Then inside we have the 5 different products from the month. So first up we have a Style London eyeshadow palette. I've actually never heard of this brand before, but the eyeshadows inside are so beautiful. The next product is a Huda, however you want to pronounce it, Huda Beauty product. This is actually a liquid matte lipstick in shade Girlfriend. I've actually never used a liquid lipstick from this brand before, so I'm very excited. We then have a mini tester of the Nomade Eau de Parfum from Chloe. Let me just take a look inside. This is basically what it looks like. Let me just spritz that on and see how it smells. Oh, that smells so good. Okay, I need the full size. We then have the Living Proof Restore Mask Treatment. I've, again, never heard of this brand before, so this is great. I get to try out some new products from new brands. We then have the Your Good Skin Balancing Skin Concentrate for all skin types. This is great, again, just a little bit of a skincare TLC. Love that. And then lastly, we have the Context Microderm Regenerator, which is basically a 2-in-1 daily cleanser with a subtle exfoliation, so that's great. I'm definitely going to be trying that next. So that is everything in the Glossy Box. It comes with some shredded tissue paper. So if you guys wanted to pick up a Glossy Box yourself, there is a 1, 3, 6, and 12-month subscription option, so you guys can, you know, opt for whichever one you want. I will leave a link down below so you guys can check it out if you're interested, but if you guys want to see how to achieve this makeup look, then let's get on into the video. Okay, so first things first, for my look today, I'm going to actually start off with my eyes. I usually start off with foundation, but because eyes can get a little bit messy and I'm using quite dark colors, I just thought I would start off with my eyes first. So first things first, I'm going to start off with priming my eyes. So I'm just going to be using my Becca concealer. I absolutely love this one. I'm just going to basically pop that all over the lid to conceal any darkness or any veins and, you know, just prep our eyes for all of the eyeshadow to come. I don't know about you guys, but I kind of believe this conspiracy theory that primers for your eyes don't actually do anything. So I've just been using like concealer for years and I don't really use any primers at all ever, and I just feel like concealer works best. So yeah, let me know down below what you guys use to prime your eyes. Do you actually use a primer or do you use concealer? Because I don't really know. Concealer has always worked for me, so I think I'm gonna stick to it. So now that my eyelids are primed and ready to go, I'm gonna take my Glossy Box and just deep dive into it. I'm gonna use the eyeshadow palette that I already showed you guys. I just love the selection that the eyeshadow palette has. So I'm actually going to start off with this shadow right here, which is like a really pretty kind of peachy nude transition color. So I'm going to take that on my Zoeva Luxe Soft Definer brush and I'm just going to basically sweep this through the crease. That is so pretty. Look at that. I feel like this sort of transition color for the crease works on most skin tones and I just really love it. It's actually one of the shades that I use every single day. So I'm just basically building up that pigment, really blending it through the crease but I'm also not too scared to kind of blow it out into the eyebrow as well, just because it is kind of like a soft shade, so I feel like it's not gonna look too crazy if you overdo it a little bit. Okay, next up I'm gonna take this middle color right here, which is like kind of a soft shimmering pink. I feel like if we pop this on top of the lid first, this color is gonna be really easy to blend into, so I'm just taking that on a packing brush first, and I'm just applying that sort of over the lid, but kind of blending it into the crease as I go along. Ooh, it's kind of got like a brown undertone to it. It's not really what I expected, but it's super pretty. Next up, I'm gonna take this red shadow right here, which is just so beautiful. Again, this is kind of like a shimmery shadow, so I feel like it will look so nice on top of the shadow that we've already applied. So I'm again just taking a flat brush. This time I'm taking a slightly larger one, and I'm just going in. That is such a pretty color. I'm just going to apply that on the center first. And I'm kind of gonna do sort of like a half cut crease with it. It's not a real cut crease because we're not actually carving it out with like concealer and that whole thing, but I feel like it's still gonna look super pretty and will definitely stand out. This red is honestly everything, you guys. Like, look at that. That's so pigmented. Next up, I'm gonna take the palette and I'm gonna go in with this bronzy shimmer sort of color right here. And I'm taking the smaller packing brush once again, and I'm just going to run this across my lower lash line. I kind of want this look to look super smoky, so I'm kind of gonna drag it a little bit lower than I usually would, which we're then just gonna blend out later on. You know what, also whilst I'm at it, I'm also gonna take that same bronze sort of shimmer shadow and I'm just gonna pop it on the outer corner of my eye to kind of create that smoky effect and also kind of transition it into the red on the inner corner, just because I feel like that's going to work really well. So now that we have this sort of look going on so far, I'm actually gonna go back into the orange color and just pick that up on a big fluffy brush again, and I'm just going to basically go over anything that we might have missed, and I'm just gonna keep it blending and keep blending. Literally blend, blend, blend like there's no tomorrow. Now that everything is blended in nicely, I'm just gonna go in with a pop of highlight from the same palette, and I'll just be using this really gorgeous champagne sort of color on a pencil brush. And I'm just going to pop that in my inner corners. I literally can never miss this step. I just feel like it just completes the eye look so much. I'm also just gonna apply this a tad into the eyebrows to pop that highlight back in there. And I'm also just gonna add a touch of it on the very center of my lid. I feel like this just adds like a nice pop of color. Next up, we can move on to eyeliner. So for this, I'm gonna use my NYX Professional Makeup Epic Ink Liner. This one comes in a felt tip, and honestly, for a felt tip, this is one of the most like pigmented and black eyeliners I've ever used. And you guys know I love a bit of felt tip liner, so I'm just gonna create quite a bold sort of cat wing, I guess. I always say this, but this is the part where I hold my breath for the next 2 minutes to try and get this right. What's my record, guys? What's my record? I'm just kidding, but can you imagine if I could hold my breath for that long? I wish. I'm now just gonna go in with some mascara to top off the lashes. Today, I'm using the Scandalized Reloaded by Rimmel. I love this mascara. It just gives me so much length and volume, and yeah, it's one of my favorites at the moment. So if you guys haven't checked it out, make sure you do, because it's really good. Now lastly, to finish off the eyes, I'm gonna move on to some lashes. So for this, I'm using the LMX by Little Mix lashes. These are in the style Jade, and I just love these because they're like really fluttery, but they're also quite natural. So I'm just gonna pop those and be right back. So my lashes are now on. I'm now gonna move on to my face. So I'm gonna apply some foundation first, and the one I'm using today is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Oxygen one. This is, I'm pretty sure, the newest edition, and I actually really love this. I feel like it's super creamy, it wears really nicely, and it doesn't go too dry and like flaky on my skin, so I have been really liking this one. So I'm just using my Zoeva buffer brush to buff this into my skin. This is such good coverage for a drugstore foundation as well, so I love it. I'm now just gonna conceal my under eyes using my Becca concealer, the same one I used for for my eyes at the beginning to prime with. Let me know down below, what is your favorite concealer at the moment? I kind of go through phases of using a bunch of different cult faves of mine, and I feel like this is my phase at the moment. I'm just loving this concealer so much right now. So I'm just gonna blend this in with a flat brush. And whilst I'm kind of concealing my under eye, I'm also gonna kind of carve out the shape of my eyeshadow, just because we kind of blended it out further than it's meant to be. So I'm just kind of going to carve this back to the eyeliner and just really give it a nice sharp edge. To set everything into place, I'm just gonna take my Laura Mercier translucent powder. This is, again, one of my cult faves. I love this stuff so much. I feel like it just gives you a really nice airbrushed sort of look to your skin. And yeah, it's just really, really good. Now to add my face a little bit more shape, I'm just gonna go in with my Nip and Fab contour kit. This is not a contour kit. It's actually more of a bronzer palette, but I really love this shade right here for contouring with. So I'm just going to basically contour with it. So I'm just gonna apply it to the usual places like the hollows of my cheekbones. My face really needs some color right now because it is just so dull and there's no sun, and it's just like those winter seasons where you literally just look so pale and it's like, bring back the sun. I'm also gonna blend this up to my temples as well, just to kind of give my face an all over bronzy look. Now I'm gonna move on to blush. I'm actually gonna add a tiny bit of blush because I don't want to take away too much from the eyes. So I'm just gonna use my Too Faced Peach, actually this is called the Sugar Peach Wet and Dry Face and Eye Palette. And I'm gonna be taking this Peach Pop shadow right here, which is just gorgeous. It's kind of got like a sheen to it, but it's not sparkly. I don't really understand it, but it's very pretty. So I'm just gonna add a little boop, boop, just a tad to the face, just to kind of tie in with the eye look a little bit more. I know I said a little bit, but I just love this so much. I have to add a little bit more than a little bit. Now, if you guys watch my channel, you will know that there is not a Roxy look on this channel without some highlight. This is just a tradition. I love a bit of highlight. So for today, I'm gonna be using the Makeup Revolution Ultra Pro Glow highlighter palette. It has 8 different shades in it, which is great. I think this actually retails for only like £8, which is amazing. So if only I could get into it, that would be a good start. Oh my God, I actually can't open this. Ah, there we go. So I'm gonna be taking this one right here, which is kind of like a gold sort of shimmery highlighter. And I'm just gonna pop this onto my cheekbones. Whoa, okay. Revolution is not playing. I'm also gonna add a tiny bit of that on the tip of my nose. You guys know the drill. I literally do this every day. I just love a bit of nose highlight, you know? Now, lastly for the lip, I am gonna go in with a Maybelline Color Sensational lip liner. This is in shade 110 Purely Nude. It's just like a really nice warm toned, everyday sort of lip liner. I forgot the word then. Lip liner. And I'm just going to overline my lips a little bit. You guys know the drill with that. I always do this. And lastly, I'm gonna take my lipstick. This one is actually from Glossy Box, and this is the Huda Beauty. I always don't know whether to pronounce it like Huda or Huda. I've heard some people say Huda, I've heard some people say Huda. So let me know down below how you guys pronounce it. I say Huda, but I don't know. Anyways, this is in shade Girlfriend, and it's just like a very pretty, kind of like brown, nude brown. I really like this color. It matches the lip liner perfectly. So I'm just gonna go all over. Ooh. This applies like a dream. What the hell? How have I never used Huda Beauty lipsticks before? What? Okay, this is my finished look. Look at that lipstick. It's honestly gorgeous. I really hope you guys enjoyed my little tutorial. I don't usually do this sort of look. I feel like it's really glam for me, and I'm just trying to kind of step out of my comfort zone with this. So I hope you guys are nice in the comments. Let me know what you think of this look, and also make sure you go and purchase the Glossy Box of the month. And it's honestly such a good price as well. It's only £6 right now with the discount code that I will provide down below in the description. I feel like it's definitely worth a buy because you're getting £50 worth of products for only like £6, so that is amazing. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and if you decide to recreate this look, make sure you tag me on my Instagram or Twitter. I would love to see it. But that is all from me. Thank you so much for watching, you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!